everyone, today we do face exercise. We do face exercise every day. And today we do rejuvenation massage. It will make you look younger and lift in your face. If you want, you can subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Let's start. all this exercise with me today. Be beautiful today and every day. See you tomorrow.